Welcome to Fishbone Offroad's instructions on how to remove your JT Gladiator's factory rear bumper and how to disassemble its lights and sensors for later use. Step 1. With a screwdriver, remove your license plate. Step 2. With a 16mm socket, remove the two bumper retaining nuts from both driver and passenger sides. Step 3. Follow the power and sensor harness with a body clip remover tool and remove all the body clips from the frame side rails and brackets, disconnecting the two connectors and trailer power connectors as you go. Step 4. While holding the bumper steady, remove the two frame bolts from the outside with a 16mm socket and remove the bumper. Step 5. With a 21mm socket, remove the two bolts from the tow hook. Step 6. With a screwdriver, gently pry away the two frame nut clips. Moving on to the disassembly. Step 1. With a 13mm and 15mm socket, remove the three bolts securing the shown plate from both driver and passenger sides. Remove this plate by removing the body clip secured in the center. Step 2. With a screwdriver or similar, press in the tab and remove the shown white retaining clips on both driver and passenger sides. Step 3. Gently peel away the bumper tread until you have access to the first body clip shown. Remove this clip and remove the plastic liner as it loosens. Step 4. Follow the power harness and disconnect it from the sensors and license plate lights and remove any body clips, freeing the harness. Step 5. Push the trailer plug brackets inward while pulling the plug outwards until it pops through. Step 6. Begin removing the sensors in order, as each has a specific location on the bumper. While gently pushing the sensor into the bumper, push the plastic inner bracket up and over the two nubs until the sensor pops through. Carefully place them aside in a way that you can remember their original location. Step 7. Gently pry and release the bracket from the license plate light bezel while tugging it free from the outside. Pull the two parts apart and remove the license plate lights. And you're done. This concludes the removal and disassembly of the JT rear bumper. Please like and subscribe us for more videos like this.